Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fill this type of wall damages. If you want to repaint it, or you're moving and you want to make sure you leave the wall as you found it. So first I'm going to show you some of the materials that you need. You need a sandpaper, the smoothest that you can find in the market to avoid wall damages, extra wall damage. And you need your filler. So this is how the filler looks like. It comes in powder form, but I'm going to mix it with water so that I can get that paste so that we can fill this wall. But first let's prep the wall. Or yes, gypsum filler. It comes in powder form, so you mix it with water so that you can get this paste so that you can be able to fill your walls. So this is the consistency that you need. Isikuwe maji sana na isikuwe thick sana because you want it to get into those tiny holes. Yes. If you have cracks like this one, hizi zinakaa hivi kuendaenda, tena tu if you fill it with this filler, works wonder. The tool that I'm using to apply is called a scraper tool. I bought it at my local hardware, but you can buy it anywhere, any hardware they normally have it. So yeah, it goes for around 200 shilling. Also, the filler, you don't have to purchase the 25 kg bag. You can buy a 1 kg bag, which goes for roughly around 100 to 150 Kenyan shillings. If you don't have any hardware around you that you know that they sell, just look for any motokinjo around you. They have all these things: paint, wall filler, and also the scraper, and also the sandpaper. Look at that, baby. Look at that color. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wow, we love it. So let's continue. So once the knee has dried, you go in with your sandpaper. I'm using P100. You can use P0, which is the smoothest of all, but I don't know if I have one, but we are going to use this one. I need to get mask. Let me get something. Once your wall is well sanded down and smooth, you can go ahead and paint your favorite color. I hope this video helped. If you want more tips on any DIY home makeover video, kindly remember to follow, like this video, share. I hope to see you in the next video. In the meantime, stay curious, stay creative. Bye.